Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Google Gemini Veo 3. Start by checking your Google account eligibility in the app settings and enable experimental features if available. Sign in with your primary account and link devices you want to use. If access is gated, join the official waitlist or beta program and watch for activation emails to complete setup and start exploring features. Begin by confirming your Google account is verified and has two-step verification enabled for better access. Open the Google app and search for Feature Enrollment or Beta Program links to request Gemini Veo 3 access. If you see an Enable toggle, turn it on and accept any terms. Keep your app updated and wait for confirmation email or in-app activation to complete the process and use the assistant on linked devices. After gaining access, update the Google app and grant microphone and camera permissions for multimodal use. Configure voice match and language preferences to make Gemini Veo 3 respond accurately to your commands. Start with simple text or voice prompts to verify functionality, then gradually try image or mixed queries. Save useful responses or routines and review privacy settings regularly to manage data and maintain a smooth.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.